Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode, after which then you can walk into the scene. The only thing you need to do here is stand for a few seconds, do as if you are turning something, then you can raise your leg as if you jump something and you enter somewhere. Then after some few seconds again, then you can do as if you come out, then you walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. Click on CapCut, new project now, then click on photos, import this background. All right, then you click it and drag it to the duration of your video, after which you are coming back now to mark anywhere. Click on overlay, add overlay, then you click on video, then you import this your video that you have just recorded. All right, then you click on volume and reduce it to 0. Mark on this good, then you go back, locate where you want the video to start from here, click and make a split here, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and drag it to the beginning. We want to locate where we want the video to end. Immediately you raise your hand, make a split again, make a split here, then you delete that last part. You click here now and go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG guys, click on remove BG auto remover, then you allow it to remove completely. But at this point, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic tricks or CapCut effect you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, welcome back to this tutorial as he has removed completely. Look at it there, then you mark on this good now, then you go back. So at this point we are going to be marking anywhere to click on add overlay, then you import this light here, click on splice guys, click on splice, then you click on filter, mark on this good, then you go back. Look at that light now, it's going the other way around, so we look for transform, locate transform. All right, look for transform guys, click on transform, click on mirror, then you use your hand now and adjust it. You want to be clicking it, look at the light is behind you, look at that light is behind you. That is why you are going to click it again to go and locate layer, so that will make the light to be at the front. Look for layer guys, look for layer, locate layer, click on layer, click on this arrow now, look at it, the light is at the front now. So you want to use your hand to do some necessary adjustment here, so that the light will be at the point immediately you want to turn your hand. So do your amendment, after which look at it here, you are going to be positioning the light at the point of your leg, so that immediately you raise your leg you will be able to jump the light. So do your necessary amendment, but after that we are going to be duplicating this light. All right, so you click this light now, we want to duplicate it after you finish your adjustment. All right, you can see I'm still adjusting it, but after adjusting it, we are going to be duplicating the light as the light is too short. So go and look for duplicate guys, locate duplicate. Okay, look for duplicate, then you are going to be duplicating this light, then you come and trim it. Let it be where the light is rolling already, trim it, then you click it and make it to align with this one. We are going to be duplicating it again, so that it will cover the length of our video. So you make 2 duplicates again, then you come back. As you come back now, you want to start playing it to see what we have got, so that we do the necessary adjustment. We have gotten this entering part, the coming out now is where we want to work on. All right, look at the coming out, is not playing well. So you click it now, then you do your necessary adjustment. After adjusting it again, we are going to still go and look for that layer so that we make this part look perfect like the first one. All right, still go and look for layer. After making your necessary adjustments here, then you look for layer, locate layer for the second time. All right, click on layer now, still click on this arrow, then you can see that your coming out now is going to be smooth. So look at it, good, this is nice. So at this point now, you are going to come back, you mark anywhere, you click on overlay, add overlay, then you import this second light here. We want to use it. Click on splice, guys, click on splice, then go and look for dodge, locate dodge. We are clicking dodge, which is the last option there, the last two. Click on that dodge there, click on dodge, good, mark on this, good. Now then you go back, guys, use your hand to crumple it, then you position it at your chest. This one is your choice, you will depend on what you want to use it to do, but this is what I want to use it. That is why I wore that clothes. Then I position it there, after which I do my duplicate. As you can see what I did, the next thing is to add my keyframe to make sure that that light play with my that design on my shirt and my polo there. That is why I'm adding that key, so you can see what I am doing. So as I'm moving, I'm adjusting the light to cover that design on my polo. That is what I am doing here. So you follow it precept by precept until you get this place. Look at what I am doing. Follow it gradually. Look at it, I am still moving. Follow it gradually. As I'm coming out, I drag it down. This is nice. So you do it to cover even when you are working out. Now let's play it to see what we have got. Just calm down and play. Let us see what we have got so far. Good. The coming out part. Now look at the light there on your chest. Good. Look at what we have got. So at this point, we are going to be clicking on this add overlay again. Then we are going to be importing this beast. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, guys, drag it, mark on this, good. Now then you go back, click on it again and locate adjust, look for adjust, click on adjust. You look for HSL, click on HSL, mark on green, reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this, good. Then you go back, locate where you want the beast. This place where it's about coming out, click it and make a split. Delete this first part, click it to align with the video. Look at it, this is nice. So the next thing now is to be adding that light again. So we click on add overlay, import this other light for the second time, click on splice. All right, click on splice, look for dodge again. Click on dodge, mark on this, good. Then you go back, then you want to position the light the way you want it to be. So at this point, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning to see what we have got. But as far as I'm concerned, the video is ready. Remember to add your sound effects and every other effect. After that, you export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, the next thing now is to click on export. Then we export this video to our gallery. So click on export now. Then you allow it to export completely as it's exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. Okay, so guys, tell us your opinion about this video. You love what we are doing, you love this video, go and smash your like button. All right, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.